This message brought to you by LeadLink Media. Imagine a world where advertising takes care of itself, bringing you direct and qualified leads. Welcome to the world of pay-per-call advertising, an innovative approach that marries convenience and efficiency, freeing up businesses to do what they do best: serve their customers. Let's take a journey through the step-by-step process of this remarkable model. Picture an auto glass shop, a business that thrives on direct customer contact. The pay-per-call model begins by promoting this shop across a vast network of websites, targeting individuals actively searching for auto glass services. A unique tracking number is tied to each promotion, paving the way for call tracking and performance evaluation. The magic unfolds when potential customers dial this tracking number. They're greeted warmly and asked a simple yet crucial question: do you require auto glass services? If the answer is yes, the call is connected to the auto glass shop. If it's a no, the call is promptly ended. This process ensures that only qualified leads, people genuinely in need of auto glass services, reach the shop. Now, let's delve into the benefits of this model. Firstly, each call generated is exclusive to the business. There's no competition for the same lead, providing the shop with a direct connection to potential customers. Secondly, there's a clear cost advantage. No setup or monthly charges, businesses only pay for the actual calls received, making this a cost-effective solution. Thirdly, each call undergoes a rigorous screening process, ensuring that only high-quality, potentially convertible leads reach the business. Lastly, the system offers complete transparency via weekly reports. These reports detail the total calls received, their duration, and other key metrics, providing businesses with valuable insights. In essence, the pay-per-call model is a streamlined, efficient, and cost-effective way for businesses to generate qualified leads. By taking the advertising burden off their shoulders, businesses can focus on their core competencies, turning leads into satisfied customers. In the world of pay-per-call advertising, businesses not only survive but thrive. Contact LeadLink Media today for a free test drive of the pay-per-call program.